Alright guys, 2022 Moose Enduro. We're about ready to go. Brian's geared up. Place is packed. Here they might not allow GoPros, so I might not have any video. Just keep watching. If you see video, that means I got it through. But yeah, super excited. It's been raining off and on for the last day and a half, so we should have prime dirt. Alright guys, see you out there. Ready?
Give him hell.
Good luck, man. Good luck.
You too.
Good luck, buddy. Mr. McPherson, good luck, buddy.
Good luck, buddy.
Overall winner right here.
Right there.
Any last words?
Dirt's gonna be epic.
Yes. Favorable for us. All right, here we go. Loose Moose 2022. If you guys pay attention right up in here, you can tell we had rain for about a day and a half solid almost up there, because I was camping since Friday and the dirt was just perfect. Zero dust, traction for days. This was an awesome course. Sections 1 and 4 were pretty tight. It gets a lot tighter when we get up here in the woods, but this is just going to be kind of a highlight video, and then I'm going to make a full-length one next week. So yeah, just some bits and pieces here, and I'll kind of narrate it as we go through. So I'll be back in a second. Got Brian coming up here in a minute right in front of me. He's about to take a quick dirt sample. He got up saying it's good. Hammer down.
Got two already.
There's Stu. As you guys just seen, that was Stu Baylor passing me. He was about 3 or 4 rows behind me. I can't really remember exactly. His brother Grant was 1 row behind, so they were just blowing by me all day. It was really a cool thing to see how fast those guys really are up close and personal. They don't let off the throttle. It doesn't matter what terrain is coming. It was just amazing to watch. That being said, I'm kind of throwing in bits and pieces of the whole enduro. Coming up here, we have in a few minutes, we have the section 5 of the Moon Rocks, which by this section I was completely tired, in survival mode. Here we go. Some of these are real small in the beginning, and there was a couple pretty big ones, and you know, I was up here during the spring and rode some much bigger ones, but when I rode them, they were dry. And some of these were dry, some of them were wet, but there was a couple bigger ones towards the end of section 5 that were really wet and pretty hard to get up if you didn't have the right angle, and if you came out of a corner out of shape, that's where they'd get you. In the riders meeting, they did kind of tell us the section of the Moon Rocks that they put in, you're not going to see them. You're going to come around a corner and boom, there they're going to be. And I'll tell you what, that was very true, because you just be riding along, you couldn't see them coming, and then like out of a sharp corner or something, boom, there they were. So you know, you had to be on your toes. It was a pretty cool experience. So there was one up here, this one, which I got out of shape and it's super wet right there. I ended up having to turn my bike around, go down to the bottom and make another run, because as I've said in my videos before, everything looks small in videos. These are way bigger than what they look like. So, and like I said, they weren't hard, but if you came in there out of shape or in the wrong spot, they were slippery. So, all right, here we go. And as you can see, if you just went up it straight and had nice steady throttle, no big deal. Alright guys, now this little section right here was a little trickier than what it looks. It's actually really steep, and it was like ice, and of course I took the wrong line. Everybody else was going either in the middle or on the outside, so you guys probably can't tell, but my front tire dropped way in there, then my back end right there. I mean, it was way steeper than it looked. But yeah, I just had to inch through there, and I think this spot was the very last moon rock of section 5. So with that being said, I'm going to throw in some more of you know, section 2 and 3, let you guys watch it, kind of give you an idea of the hero dirt we got to ride in. You know, I've been to a lot of races so far this year, and this terrain was amazing, don't get me wrong, but I don't think it was the hardest thing that I rode all year, but for some reason during section 4 and 5 my energy just went out the window and I struggled pretty bad, but still had a complete blast. Sad to know that this was the last enduro that the sandstormers are going to hold up in Marquette. At least that's what they were saying. So I'm glad I get in on the last one. But with that being said, if you're still here in the video, drop a like, drop a comment, and I'll let you guys watch the rest of the video, and thanks for watching, guys.
Damn it, that hurt.